Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor. Today is the third lesson of our lessons. We are learning Arabic alphabets. This one is the third lesson. We have done two lessons already, in which in group number 1 we'll learn about two letters Alif and Hamza. In group number 2 we'll learn about three letters Ba, Ta and Sa. If you not have watched that videos before, you can find the link in description. Today we are learning the group number 3. Let me explain you why we are learning in groups, because learning in groups Arabic alphabet is super easy. Because Arabic alphabets are very similar with each other, we can divide them easily in groups, and learning groups is a super easy and a quick way. Group number 3 is today. Group number 3 includes three letters Jim, Ha and Ho. Jim, Ha and Ho. Let's write how we should write it. A small line followed by a straight line and a round under it. Let's practice again. Small line with a straight line and a round over it, under it. Let's do it again. This is the basic shape of the all three letters, which is similar. Now let's make them different by the position of the dots and the numbering of the dots. Jim has one dot in its middle. Ha is without any dot, and it is its uniqueness. Ho has one dot over it. Now you can see they are different. Okay. The equivalent of Jim in English is letter J, and equivalent of Ha in English is letter H, and of Ho is a combination of two letters K and H. K. The phonics of Jim is just like a J in jam, just like a J in jam, and the phonics of Ha is H, just like H in hen, and the phonics of Ho is a combination of two letters KH. Ho is one of the heaviest letter of Arabic. In Arabic, 7 letters are always pronounced heavy. That is called heavy letters, and Ho is one of them. Let's talk about articulation point. The articulation point of Jim is the middle of the tongue. For example, if it is your tongue, this is the tip of the tongue. If it is, Jim is pronounced from this part, the middle of the tongue. Jim, Jim. And now for Ha and Ho. Ha and Ho both are throat letters. Let me show you. If it is your throat, upper part of the throat, middle part of the throat, and the lower part. We divide the throat in three parts in Arabic to pronounce the letters. Ho is pronounced from the upper part, and it makes a very clear, strong resistance in the throat while pronouncing it. And Ha is pronounced from the middle of the throat. It also makes the resistance in the throat while pronouncing. When we are flowing the air outside the throat, Ha also makes some resistance in the throat, but its resistance is lesser than Ho. Ho make a very strong resistance. So Ha and Ho are the throat letters, and Jim is a tongue letter. That is enough for today. If you want to learn Arabic in bite-sized lesson so you can learn and digest it easily, subscribe my channel and visit my site. See you in the next video with group number 4 and the new letters. Assalamu alaikum.